Danke bafowethu, seyibhethwe i-Premiership iphelile, sesi-approach-a i-transfer window lapho ama-team amaningi azorelease ama-player amanye azosayinwa to other teams yabo. So umuntu o-headline-ke ama-players laphana asukayo kwamanye ama-team, Andile Jali, the former superstar of South African football yabo, i-golden boy Andile Jali, owadlala ku-Orlando Pirates wawina amakhapha amaningi, waya kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns wawina amakhapha amaningi, kuBafana Bafana udlala ama-match amaningi kakhulu yabo. And then uke waya nase-Belgium laphana overseas ku-European football, wafike nakhona wadominator, waba the most trusted or one of the most trusted guy laphana ku-midfield yabo. Andile Jali is one of the most talented South African football players, but in recent season izinto asamhambeli kahle njengoba u-Andile Jali ugaine i-weight nanokuthi-ke groundini ama-performances wakhe awasafani nalo Andile Jali lo simaziyo yabo. So usuke laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns waya ku-Moroka Swallows. Moroka Swallows yaba nama-financial problems and then wamuvela to i-Chippa United, iMoroka Swallows meqeda ukuthengiswa. But u-Andile Jali wasuwa noma wathatha iMoroka Swallows wayisa ku-DC ku-PSL court laphana efuna imali yakhe abamkweleta yona nama-image rights yabo. But imali yakhona bekumele ibhadalwe iMarumo Gallants. iMarumo Gallants yakuphikisa-ke lokho yathi ngeke ayithole imali yakhe. Lo mdlali lona seyishile-ke iChippa United kanye namanye ama-player awu-14 yabo. iChippa United-ke ikhiphile indaba zokuthi-ke yona i-release ama-player awu-15 kubalwa-ke no-Andile Jali kulawo ma-player lawo 15